Have you ever wondered what it takes to make your dreams a reality? Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there lived a person who, like many of us, had dreams. Dreams that were big and ambitious. Dreams that seemed almost impossible to achieve. But there was something different about this person, something that set them apart from everyone else. They believed. Yes, my friends, they believed. They believed in themselves and they believed in their dreams. They believed in the power of possibility when others told them that their dreams were too big, too ambitious, too impossible. They didn't listen. They didn't let fear or doubt hold them back. Instead, they held on to their belief. They held on to the belief that they were capable of achieving great things. They held on to the belief that they could make a difference in the world. They opened themselves up to a world of possibilities and saw themselves in a new light. They saw themselves as capable, as powerful, as unstoppable. And with this belief, they started to take the steps necessary to make their dreams a reality. You see, the power of belief is a magnificent thing. It gives you the strength to overcome any obstacle, the courage to achieve any goal, and the determination to make a difference in the world. All you need is to believe. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and believe in the power of possibility. So, remember the story of the person who believed. Remember how they didn't let fear or doubt hold them back. Remember how they achieved their dreams because they believed they could. And know this, my friends, you are no different from this person. You too are capable of achieving great things. You too can make a difference in the world. All you need is to believe. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, believe in the power of possibility. And you, yes, you will achieve anything you set your mind to. This is the power of dreams. This is the power of belief. This is the power of possibility. So go forth and make your dreams a reality. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, believe in the power of possibility. And remember, you have the power to make your dreams a reality. Thank you.